Okay, this guy made the rotor for us at the shop, eh?
Yeah.
And welded it in. This goes into the differential.
Okay.
I'm going to show you what the fuck up is. You shorten the drive shaft, cut it with a lathe, and re-weld it. So it should be balanced yet because that's the balancing part. But where he screwed up is this has to fit in here like this into these yokes. And he didn't cut these places out that I marked it because this part has to go into here.
Okay.
So I'll
take
cut
it back to the shop and let him do it?
No, I don't want to wait another week. I'll cut them out, clean it up tomorrow, and then we're done.
Okay. So is this too short now, or is this?
No, this is the right length. I had to. Drive shaft was too long, so I had to have it cut and set in a lathe so that when he welds it, it's balanced and the right length.
So all this weight and you still can't
this is
continue.
Adjustable here, right?
Okay, I see that. Yeah. So all this weight and you're still gotta do more work.
Yep.
Okay.
I bought a Wildwood caliper. It's a double duty. It pushes from two sides.
Okay.
I think there's going to be a better caliper than what I've been using.
What have you been using?
I've been using a caliper out of a Ford Fiesta, I think it is.
Okay.
And I'm having a hell of a time with drag. So this should cure it. It has power goes in here as far as pressure from the master cylinder, but it has two bleeders, one on each side for the control.
Okay.
Like that squeezes it together.
Okay.
And it's a double pumper on both sides, so it'll have a lot of braking power.
Okay. So this is the update here. Finally got the drive shaft. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, I think, almost.
7th day.
7th day. So we might be a little behind in videos here soon, but
you almost think we're 7-day Adventists.
okay. Okay.
All right.
You gonna drink water, or are you waiting for the cat? No. Too risky, eh?
Okay, yeah. I got the rotor made and balanced and welded. This, my man forgot to cut this part out because the yoke has to fit in there.
Okay.
So I was out of oxygen and acetylene, and I had a little bit of oxygen left, so I cut this out. Now I gotta dress it up with a burr so it's nice and clean and no chips or anything. And then I can put this all together.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
How long did this take you?
Oh, I fooled around here for 2 hours, but that was mostly my fault because I was out of oxygen.
Yeah. So you're just going to take the burr tool to this and clean it all up? Like how clean does it have to be?
Oh, I'm going to make it so it's just perfect in there and get all this slag off.
Okay. So what's any tips here for the guys?
Well, I don't want to give anybody advice. I just want to show them what I'm doing. Because I got a friend down the road I gave advice to one time. He was kind of lazy, eh?
Okay.
So he was saying that he had a lot of things to do but he didn't feel like it. So my suggestion was, why do today what you could put off until tomorrow?
Okay.
And now he's over 4 years of sitting or laying on the Chesterfield. He hasn't done anything. So
Yeah.
I don't want to put out any advice to anybody.
Okay.
All I know is we got to feed the deer and we're going home.
Okay, so, well, we'll go check on the deer then.